Hi, I'm Richard from Frozen Well. Welcome to the first devlog for my new game, Space Miner. It's been a while since I did a devlog, and since the last one I've put Ghost Blaster on hold and started a new game, Space Miner, which this is going to be the first devlog for. Before I start the devlog, I'll quickly go over what's happening with Ghost Blaster. At the moment, nothing. I had been struggling for a few months with the direction I wanted to take the game, as I felt the random level generation wasn't creating interesting levels like I wanted. So, after starting to create a few handcrafted levels, I just wasn't feeling it anymore. So I decided to put the game on hold and work on a new game. I'd had the idea for a space mining game floating about for a while, so I decided that this would be the game to make. I may go back to Ghost Blaster in the future, but not anytime soon. So, onto the new game, Space Miner. I still need to flesh out a lot of the game, but the game's going to be a mining game, built around various arcade-style mini-games in a pixel art style. The idea will be to mine ores using various mechanics. The first mechanic that I've been working on is an Asteroid-style level, which for anyone that doesn't know what Asteroids is, the original arcade game is playing in the background at the moment. Asteroids was a really addictive game, and I'm hoping that adding these sort of mechanics into the game will make the mining process enjoyable and rewarding. Here's my current version of the Asteroid-style levels. I currently have two different asteroid levels set up. The first one is an asteroid field that you can mine iron asteroids in. There are three different sizes of asteroids in the level, and when you destroy one of the small ones they leave behind some iron ore that you can collect. This is the current version of this asteroid field in action. As you can see, the player's got a shield, and the power of this shield is displayed in the top left of the screen, and also it keeps track of the number of ores that you collect in the top right. The second type of asteroid field that I've currently created contains ice asteroids. These work in exactly the same way as the iron ones, apart from you can collect ice after destroying the small ones. These types of asteroid could and probably will change, as I still need to work out exactly what things you'll be able to mine in the game. Both of these asteroid levels have screen wraps, so things reappear on the opposite side of the level from where they disappear. The next thing I've been working on is to get a galaxy screen working. This will be where you fly between the different asteroid fields and other content that I add to the game. Here you see the current version of this in action. When you fly over an asteroid field, a pop-up UI displays what type of asteroid field it is, and you just press a button to enter. This screen then brings me to the final part of the game that I've currently started to implement, which is your home planet. So let's enter the home planet scene from the galaxy and take a look. This scene's a work in progress at the moment. Currently I have the basic landing mechanism working. For a successful landing you have to keep the speed of your descent low, and also not tilt the ship too far. As you can see when you land there's some smoke effects, and I've added some screen shake as well. There's still a lot to do though, as when you've landed I need to add a way to interact with your base, to allow you to do things like upgrade ships and process the ores that you've mined. That's going to be the next thing that I work on, so I should have an update in the next devlog for you all. So that's the current position of the game. I've a lot of ideas for the game, a few of which I'll share now. I plan on when you're flying around the galaxy screen for there to be random events that happen. For example, you may be in a dangerous galaxy, get attacked by pirates. That'll take you into an arcade minigame for you to battle the pirates. I plan for planets to be visitable so you can trade with them and take on missions to collect things or rescue people. Again, these missions will all be arcade style minigames. Eventually, I also plan on having a fully working economy, so prices will fluctuate over time between the different planets. If you're still here, thanks for watching, and click the subscribe button to be notified when the next Space Miner devlog goes live.